My name is Dr. Allen-Gipson. I am an associate professor with tenure in the Department of Pharmaceutical Science. My background is in pharmacology, toxicology. I got my PhD in pharmaceutical science from Florida A&M University, and I got my master's in pharmacology, toxicology, also from Florida A&M University. I have been at the Taneja College of Pharmacy, which was AKA called College of Pharmacy before, since 2011. I am one of the founding faculties here, and I am so proud to be a TCOP. With the master's students, we're kind of looking at ways that we can figure out how can be a great delivery of drugs that could be localized, that it be targeted to the tumor and not affect the healthy tumors. Because chemotherapy and radiotherapy does that. It actually affects the healthy cells, and then that's why you have side effects and why people get sick. So if we have something localized using nanotechnology, it's specialized to go right to the source. And so we're doing things like either with gold nanoshell. We have a student right now currently working. His name is Allen-Gipson. He is the first year master student, and his project is looking at nanodiamonds and how he can use nanodiamond as a nanocarrier to facilitate gene therapy to go towards treating cancer. I think the most rewarding part of it is just seeing the faces of the students when they first started in my lab. They were frightened. You know, they're like, this was like a new language for them. There was new devices and equipment. I remember one time a student just literally shake just when he was seeing the centrifuge and like, what is that? And then at the end of the time in my lab, their proficiency, their confidence, their self-awareness, it's just amazing to see that growth. So I think just seeing them coming from uncertainty and leaving with some type of certainty that they can master anything and take on any challenge that they ever had, it was priceless. It still is priceless. I have students that have graduated, have children, let me know about getting married, or breakups. But I still am in touch with them, or so it's been a really nice, rewarding feeling. I even had a student send me a gift. He's from Cameroon, and he felt so grateful about how supporting I was as his coach. He bought me a whole bunch of tribal dresses. I don't know where I'm going to wear them at, but they're beautiful and they're authentic. So, little gifts like that makes me feel that what I have done just in a little bit of time that I'm with these students, because I don't really see them as much as the clinical faculty does, I made an impact. And so I'm grateful about that. We're integrating like 3 different subjects in their pharmacogenomics. We're integrating OTC, and we're integrating special population, which we never had before, and kinetics. And so all of those courses were all individually by themselves, and now therapeutics is now integrating all of those in there. And that course really is the crunch of this program. It is what sets the students up for success, because it deals with the clinical applications of the drugs. And I'm a trained pharmacologist, so they get to take drug actions in the first year, and then in the second year, we are now giving them the opportunity to apply that knowledge in a clinical setting. But they still have to know the basic fundamental of how the drug works from pharmacological perspective, learning the pharmacodynamics of it, and then understanding the chemical structure, how it's made. That's the medicinal chemistry part of it, and then the application in a clinical setting. So it is a very, very interesting course because it brings so many different dynamics, and I look forward to it, even though it's a 9-credit course. In there, nanotechnology has been around for years, over 20, 30 years. But now that we had the pandemic made its spotlight, because it had a nano-vaccine. But nanotechnologies and everything that we use on TV, use nanotechnology. We use Febreze to make the room smell good. That's nanotechnology. So coming to a school that primarily focuses on nanotechnology and pharmacy is unique, because you're not going to find it anywhere in the southeastern region or even in the United States. we are the leading college that have that. And this is a great opportunity for students to take advantage of that before the news get out. So come to USF, Taneja College of Graduate Program, so you can actually learn more about how wonderful this nanotechnology can be utilized for precision medicine. So we can now personalize our treatments so that we don't just give one pill and fit all. We can specialize with this technology.
Perfect.
I love, to be honest, I am a staycation person because sometimes it's just so nice to just stay home and not do anything after working so much and doing a lot of things. But if I have to go on a vacation again, I fell in love with Copenhagen. I thought that was one of the most cleanest places in the world. It's surrounded by water, which I love. And everybody rides bicycles. They make streets big enough so all kind of bicycles can ride. And when I saw grandmas and I saw ladies wearing stilettos and kids and everybody of all ages riding their bicycle, it was inspiring to me that they have this youthful spirit of living. And so it was really nice. I really like being there. So if I can go back to Copenhagen, that's where I'll go.